Guys, I greet you. Welcome. Good evening, everyone. I salute you. Sorry for the listen to the my phone. Sorry for the noise. It's because of our location. We are putting our Jeremiah Omotofufuin banners all around Abuja like we promised. We promised we will do it, and we are doing it at the right time, at strategic points, strategic roads. People will be seeing them as they are going home. As we are doing it right here, I believe over 1,000 people must have seen it because it's at a major road. I don't know how many cars passes there in 2 minutes, so you can calculate how many. Yes, so we are giving him that publicity he craves. Since they don't want to clear us, I don't know if Jeremiah is the one lying or Ruth is the one lying, but the truth remains, we need to see the CCTV footage. This is the banner. This is one of it. I am going to show you from the other side when I go down. Okay, let's go, my brother. As we are going down now, I will show you the banners, the other banner. Sorry, not banners. Oh, guys, I'm trying to open something here. But what was as the cars they pass, they see them now. The cars they see them as then they pass, no be go come. Then they see them, no be go come. See the cars passing. See the cars, see the banner. See the cars, see the banner. Let me see if I can video it for them. See the banner, guys. I hope you are seeing the banner. That's Jeremiah, the woman and her child. So no be child's play. We are still going to another location. And it's not going to stop. Tomorrow, more banners and posters. Okay? For tomorrow, I promise you, more banners plus posters. It won't be just banners, posters, stickers, handbills. Sponsored by us. We are just asking questions. We are not accusing anyone yet, but we need answers. No one is beyond being questioned. Guys, share the video. Let them know that it's not a joke. Let them know that we are not joking. We are not kidding. It's going to go up at strategic points in Abuja. Those of you in Lagos, you say, what about Warri? I can still do it in Warri now if I bring my transportation and the necessary expenses. Who be Jeremiah? Why no go Warri? Go. So guys, hold on, I'm trying to share the video clip on my other pages and the WhatsApp groups. So it is not about noise making, it's about being serious. So my people, as you can see, we are doing what we said we would do. Okay, we are doing what we said we will do. This one no be shoot bird mama fly, monkey born 5-3 die. No be that one. Mr. Jeremiah, we are still waiting for your police. So at least the DPO way that around me now. I still get this one, this DPO number. Go call him. you go wait for me here. Make we go wait for car now. Make I just video this one. Okay. Yeah, I won't go to center. I'll show them. Okay. So my people, I'm trying to cross the road. I go there careful. If anything happen to me now, they go say na their God. They go say na their God. I don't know if you can see it. Simple question. Are you seeing it, guys? I don't know. My hand is shaking. And simple question. If you know, say your hand clean, I beg, we want to see the CCTV. We want to see the CCTV footage, okay? So this one at this side own, the other side own still there. This one at this side own, the other side still there. So you must tell us where person pikin dey. They no go carry pikin call your church. The pikin go lost. I think we need bigger size over. See the other one over there. See it here. See it right here. That's it. Those of them coming from here will be seeing it. Those of them coming from the other side will be seeing it. Okay? So anything where you like, we dey wait for her. Make you call police. Make you go call police. Come, we dey wait for her. Make you call army. Call Air Force. You never end though. You don't finish? Huh? I'm going to another place. Let me be blocking Umu Okoko. I'm going to another place. Umu bingo. Keep on crying, you know. Keep on crying. We were on the AC. Man, I keep on crying. The other guy don't drive. Come out, Chabi. Okay, don't come out. They die ahead. They die ahead of us. So, keep on crying. Somebody they ask, where is this place? You want to go tear them? If I want to go tear yourself, when I go tire, you know how many we don't put. Now the coup de grace we they go for. We are going for the coup de grace. Jeremiah, I they tell you, you are your people. More na radio. More na ready. I don't ready for arrest. I carry 2 bags. Now when una go come, una go know how many. All right. Someone said it confirmed it happened outside. Those people came from which side the church? They went outside. So you need to show us those people. Reverse the camera. We will see the people, their faces. What is wrong in showing us the faces of those people? Or are they afraid when the faces of those people are shown that their members will recognize them as people who work with him? Now, this is just a possibility. Okay? It's a possibility. Whether the child disappeared where and there, please, we need to see the CCTV. That's what we need to see. You go give us scope or say before this month finish. If they see the child in court or a month don't finish, we don't see him. Today in April 1. Today in April 1. Okay? Today in April 1. You go find where we go. You go find place. Yes. So my people, we want to know the questions we they ask. We just they ask questions. We never accuse anybody. Well, traffic not too much for here today, but at least people go still see them.
Plenty people they stay for this place.
The other side, Abi.
You see one village there now.
Abi, where we cross that side?
No, not as in where if you put them for here now, many people for this place. You see them.
Yeah. Well, you go back now. We'll go first. Go.
I need to go back to that place.
Yeah. All right, my people. We are just asking for the CCTV and nothing more. Can you show us where the footage is? Now, you should be see poster, campaign poster under this bridge. So I feel put campaign poster. I feel put poster there, but
then I will go put an instead of up. I be you see one. We fit time for
down.
Down.
They go carry. The church members go carry them. The church member go easily carry them. Okay, this one are the path. The church members go carry them. The rope where I cut, I hold them. I hold them.
No, me hold them.
The cut, the one where I don't cut.
The back.
Okay. Oh yeah, where the bag for?
The back okay. Put it in the back.
Okay. So my people, you don't reach when you go shell. Okay. You don't reach when it go happen.
You need your bag?
No, I don't need the bag. Okay. Just when we come on this one, I will not need all those things inside. Okay. Just this one. Okay. I be going to carry the bag in case any person where nobody will do. Okay, look. Well done. On I don't hear. I want carry the banner go Nikon Junction. Jeremiah dey Nikon Junction. Call your people. Call your people. Call your police. They don't care go na Google na Dubai. Mari ihe mba je school mba. Muoro mba. E gbara jewe Dubai. Iwere izuru gode ego mpunu. Na nke ndị ọzọ jeru ebe afuzie na no sempe ka ya na arụ. Onwere onye? Eh? You said? I want first go use and stand here now. I go use and stand there for like 10-15 minutes. Make them see. Make them see at first. We go first stand there. On the year so, Oga, we will not accuse anybody of anything. If you say we'd accuse you, now your business. Now simple question. Where the CCTV footage? Okay, I will make I will open am from here. They go safe. Well, make we go. This is where we go stand one place. I don't need. All right. They say then they arrest people. Oh yeah, we don't ready for arrest. Okay. Them say then they arrest people. Oh yeah, now. Now we see how that one want to take happen. Now we see how that one. Hold that thing for hand. Hold this thing. The video. I beg. The video we make I open and they go. Now we see how that one what happen here. Not sure say we see how well. Now that person I go to make the video. Say we see how.
I see how man. Yeah, very clear, very clear.
Very clear. Jeremiah must explain, no. The video I made the should be say why arrest people. Let people arrest us now. Oh yeah, the video I become.
Okay.
I don't know when begin lost for church, yo. I don't know when begin lost for church, yo. Call them, so they say they arrest people. They say they arrest people, no they come arrest people. They'll go church down and to the loss. Okay, we say
That's good.
You want it?
Why did you say?
Read very well.
Okay.
Why did you say?
Okay, now everybody hear the story. They carry people go church.
Why did you say?
No, because they're
Você passou não? Yeah, very well. It's very clear. We're in Nikon Junction. Nikon Junction, yeah. That's where we are. We are at Nikon Junction, Abuja, live.
Yes, I got a shot of the man. Yes. And you don't believe the man the camera not to see. Go down to the account. Yes. But that woman there, they go arrest the woman. Yes, Naive. Yes. If you know what you have, not the promise us. Not the promise us, and media. Not the promise us, not the promise us, let me go down small.
Okay.
I need to show your face. Make ahead. My people, as we said before, don't stand here. As we said before, we are just asking for them to show us the CCTV footage. Finish. Just show us the CCTV and nothing more. All right. Show us the CCTV camera and nothing more. This is what we want. Okay. We just need the camera. Show us the CCTV footage. Do like say we face like this. The head. No. Yeah, they like that. Maybe they say they like that. Just show us the CCTV. Finish. Show us the CCTV. Make we know as then they lie on top of your head. Okay. Like saying that fool jelly speech where they never attack him. You go down past 1K. All right. Hello. Oh, now they see us. Okay, no worry. Will they come? I go wrap up small time. No worry. I go wrap up. Yeah. This DSS guy. Yeah, the DSS guys. Oh yeah, oh. Now waiting they ask for just the CCTV. Just the CCTV now we need and nothing more. The CCTV and nothing more. All right. More now simply show us the CCTV and we go keep quiet. We no get problem with honor. All right. All right. More now show us so. So my people, like we said, the campaign has started. It's not going to stop. All right, it is not going to stop until they do the right thing. All right, we are not stopping. We don't ready for them. This one are just preamble. It continues tomorrow. It continues tomorrow. It continues on Sunday. Now on a they see banner, you will never see poster. Poster on they come. You know go hard. Poster on they come. We go show them pepper. Until we see the CCTV, we are not going anywhere. Until they show us the CCTV footage, we are not going anywhere. They like that. My people as one, they see Nanaikon will day. All these ones, even the church members go there, made them they see them. Even in church members, they go there, made them they see them. Yeah. Yes. Guys, thank you so much for being a part of the program. Share the video, like and follow the page if you haven't done so, and we will keep you people up to date. We'll keep everyone updated as we are moving ahead. And the campaign goes on. Those of you that want to support it one way or another, this one, now just that brother will do something. Then me, my own side, I take do my hair. So if you people need that protest, I know my money I go take do that one. When I go gather, we go do that one. Demand justice for the less privileged. Until then, see you. Bye. Take care of yourself, everyone. See you later in the evening, by the way.